Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Let's get to it. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll leave a link down below. It's a referral link. You can get $25 towards your first box. And then there's a description down below about Stitch Fix too. They send you 5 items. My chair is really squeaky today. They send you 5 items. They're doing a fix preview now where they email you that your fix is ready to look at, and there's 10 items. You can pick 5, you can pick none of them, you can do whatever. And they fill in the rest with things you don't pick from that preview. You get it. It's in the description down below. You get it. You probably already get Stitch Fix and you watch these to see what other people get. Like me. Okay, let's open her up. I had coffee. We are using our trusty rusty screwdriver to open up the box. And my allergies kicked into high gear this week. So if I sound nasally, it's because I am. Let's go. Here I go. Stitch Fix. Oh, that's kind of cute. So this fix, I asked for stuff from my trip to Jamaica. So let's see. Because if you're watching this, who knows? Maybe I'll be in Jamaica while you're watching this. I don't know. I don't know when this is going up. That's what she said. So we have our style note. I'm wearing like Stitch Fix color today. I'm blurry. Focus. Okay. Hi Rachel, Caitlin here. I'm so happy to have been able to style you again today. I hope you're enjoying the weather warming up and getting ready to watch the trees turn back to their beautiful green color. I'm so happy to see you loved your last fix, and I hope this one continues to knock it out of the park. I found some great items for you this time around, and I can't wait to hear how it goes. The knit dress is super cute and will look amazing with the sandals for your trip. Denim shorts are a closet staple because you can wear them day and night and dress them up or down. They'll look amazing with the yellow blouse and purse for lunch by the beach. I hope you have a wonderful and relaxing vacation, and I can't wait to hear how it goes. I look forward to chatting with you again soon. XO, Caitlin. So we got some sandals, we got a dress, we got some jean shorts, a top, and this cute little purse. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. Comes with a strap. I asked for like a purse to take on the plane, but this might be a little too small. But it's super cute. I don't know, maybe it'll be okay, because it's you don't want to take a big thing on the plane. It's pretty cute. I don't know, would my phone even fit in there? My phone doesn't fit in there. My phone is wider than the opening of the purse, so I'm not going to keep it. But it's super cute. It's got 2 little compartments. It folds over. It's got a handle. It has the crossbody strap there, but it's too small. It's too small. This would be really cute for a little girl. Well, it's super cute. It's beautiful color though, and here's the pattern, texture, whatever. And this is the campsite and a top handle crossbody in yellow. Very cute. Not gonna keep it. It's too small. It's too small. So, okay, let's get stuff out. There's the bag to send back what you don't want to keep. The invoice. We already read the note. Next is our little bundle. Little bundle. Look at it. I don't know why I'm doing that voice. Denim. Probably because my nasally voice is not cutting it. This does not feel very stretchy, but we'll see. Yellow, red and blue, denim. Got the purse, and then also we have some shoes. I had coffee. All right, let's open the shoes first because, well, I guess technically we did the bag first. The bag purse, the bag purse. Oh, yeah. These are really, really cute. You can't see it yet, but I can. I'm gonna hold on the suspense for a little longer as I get them both out. And I think I will be keeping these because they are so neutral. Look how neutral those are. You could wear those with anything. I think I love them. This part is it's not suede. It's like a pleather kind of material. And then you have the straps there. And then the back part's that kind of pleather too. Not a heel or anything, which is what I want, because who wants to be wearing a heel, walking around, you know, exploring, whatever. I think those are really, really cute, super neutral. I'll probably be keeping those as long as they're not too expensive. And then let's open our bundle. Allergies, man. Here is a top. Oh, let me read what kind of shoes they are. It's on the bag. It is the DV by Dolce Vita Phoebe, F-E-B-E-E. Elastic footbed sandal in blush. Blush. Anyway, this is the West Key Allura knot detail blouse in yellow. Size large. There's no stretch. But it's very cute. I've seen it in the Shop Your Looks and I thought it was cute, but I just knew it wouldn't have any stretch. But I like the yellow. It's pretty. And we have, also not really any stretch, the Mason & Bell Lila button detail dress in red. Very pretty and cute. I like how the buttons don't go up the bust so they won't, you know, tear apart. Oh good, they're sewn shut, so like they're not actual functional buttons because they're sewn in between each one. And then the back has a keyhole. That's really cute. Excited for that one. And I read it. Yeah, I read it. These are the Silver Jeans Co. B boyfriend short in blue. Size 14. With a roll cuff. They have some distressing boyfriend mid-rise short. I don't know if I have like really any 14. Well, I did keep a pair of 14 shorts from a Wantable. So it might be good. There's the items. Let's try stuff on. Here's the first top and the shorts. We're not having any stretch. It fits really well. I have lost weight. I thank you guys, you know, for commenting on, you know, my weight loss and, you know, me looking healthier. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Some people have, you know, commented and been like, oh, I'm sorry if it's triggering to like comment on your weight. It's not triggering for me at all, so don't worry about it, you know. If you were to say like, oh, you gained weight, that's triggering. But for me personally, like me losing weight and you saying like something nice like doesn't trigger me at all. So no worries there. I know it can be a triggering, touchy subject for people, and it's really not for me. On this end, like I said, you really, you know, it's a touchy subject for people, weight loss and weight. I mean, like, unless you know the person is kind of like actively trying to lose weight or get healthier or whatever, you really shouldn't comment on anyone's weight. But I appreciate it. You know, you get it. You get it. Anyway, here's the shorts. They're in the size 14W. I'm wondering if maybe I don't need like the W size anymore because there is a lot of room back here. But I really like the length of them, and I think this top is really cute too. I like the yellow. I think the yellow is nice with that floral pattern. And then it's longer in the back, and it has that twist in the front. It's actually really, really nice and light and cute. I like it. I think I like it. Yeah. Anyway, sorry about my goings on about, you know, weight loss, whatever. This is my channel. I can say what I want. I can do what I want. You guys are great. Okay, let's try on the dress and the sandals. Here's the dress. It's really cute. It's really cute. I don't know when I would wear it in my everyday life, you know what I mean? For my trip, it might be cute. I do already have like a dress or two for my trip, and I don't want to overpack. If anyone has any suggestions on how to pack for, you know, a trip like this, where it's hot, comment below. I might already be on my trip when I post this. I don't know. I'm all nasally. Here's the sandals. They're so neutral, you can barely even see them, which is how I like it. It looks nice. I like them. Let's zoom in. There's the sandal. Here it is. There it is. How am I supposed to do this? There is the sandal. It's blush. So while I like this dress, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep it. It is really cute. I guess I'll show you the back and all that jazz. Let me move my camera back a little bit. Here's the back, because it does have that keyhole. I have my cami on underneath still, but it's really cute. I'm surprised it fits as well as it does. I like the buttons down the front. It's kind of like an old school, like romantic, you know, kind of simple day dress kind of thing, but it does go a little low for my liking on myself, for like an everyday, like out and about kind of wear. It's real nice. I'll show you the length too, because I don't know if I did that. There's the poor little purse. Here's the length. It goes to like right above the knee. Nice length. I wish it had pockets. It doesn't have pockets because it is more like a shirt dress kind of thing, but I like it. Anywho, all right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Okay. Good price box. When she sent me my fixed preview, everything was like in the 70s and 80s prices, it felt like, and I was like, that's too expensive. Yeah, so the campsite and a top handle crossbody, this in orange. Yeah, I guess you could call it orange. This says yellow on the tag though. $44. The West Key Allura knot detail blouse in yellow, $42. The Mason & Bell Lila button detail dress in size red, and the dress was an XL. So I appreciate that because that material did not stretch. $48, only $48 for that dress. That's real cute. The DV by Dolce Vita Phoebe elastic footbed sandal in blush, size 7, $40. That is the keeper from this box, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't guess already, I'm keeping the sandals. The silver jeans coat B boyfriend short in blue, 14W, $58. I liked those. I'm hesitant to buy pants and things like that. You know, just as I lose weight, I don't want to buy these things and then not be able to fit into them in a few months. So, yeah. So I'm gonna keep the sandals and I'm gonna take them on vacation with me, and I'm gonna have so much fun. I hope. Yeah. So the total of the box was $232, and then the buy all, you get 25% off if you buy everything. So $58 off of that. If I kept everything, it would be $174. Everything in this box was I could keep it. The purse, it wouldn't be like a daily use kind of purse. It'd be like a special occasion purse. Still super cute. I like the shirt, I like the jeans, I like the dress. Just not enough to keep right now, I think. I can't breathe. Allergies. So I'm keeping the sandals. So yeah, $174 would have been the subtotal. I do have some birthday credit, like I got some, gift cards, I think, for Stitch Fix. Did I? I don't know. I did have people sign up using my referral code. I really appreciate it. I had a $50 referral code like a month or more ago, and a bunch of you signed up. I really appreciate it. And I hope you liked some of the things you got in your box. So yeah, so these are not gonna cost me anything, so I'm gonna use my credit. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I know I've said that like 5 times just now, but I really do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.